Today I'm going to show you guys our new Builderall Business Dashboard. So when you're on your back office and you want to access this, you'll just click the Builderall Business drop down and click Dashboard. And as you can see, it's a little different than what we used to have. Now you can see your level of affiliation. We have a different leveled system now, and this will help identify which level you are. It'll show you your sponsor, your ID, and your affiliate link. If we look down here, it'll show you your direct sales commissions, which is your first level. Then your recurring, that means that this level's recurring after their first month. Your retention bonus, this will change depending on the amount of leads that you have. And your car bonus, which will change based on the amount of points that you have. This will show you the amount of clients that you have based on the number of months. Remember, every 3 months you get a bonus there. And now your earnings, it'll show you your earnings that are pending, available, requested, and paid here. And then you have certain points here. These points will be the points related to the amount of sales you make. This will show you there. If we look in here, you're going to have the car bonus and your current status. This bar will fill up with the amount of dollars based on the amount of leads that you have. As we can see right now, I have none, but if I were to get up to this level, it would show you the amount of bonus you have per month. Go down to the qualifications for our next mansion get together we're going to have. You can qualify with that by referring here, and if this fills out, you will have qualified. The unilevel bonus, you get a bonus based on the amount of leads you have at certain levels. It'll show you at the certain levels here, and will identify here the amount that you have. And then like we had before, we have tracking for your links and where your clicks are. And if you look down here, you can deviate between today, the month, and the year. And then if we look on the right here, you can see our top affiliates today based on the amount of points they've gathered, as well as the top affiliates this week. And if you go to the bottom, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and get our app on the Apple App Store.
Now we'll be taking a look at the Message Center. The Message Center is where you can communicate with all of your leads. We have here the contact methods, so I can choose to communicate with them through email, notifications, WhatsApp, SMS, and I can also set up automatic translation. On the right hand side, I can choose what type of lead will receive the message I'm writing. So if I want my leads and tests, for example, to receive this message, I can just click here, write a message, and then as well as the subject, and then the URL if I want to, and the action button if I want to, and then I can just hit send, and every single one of those leads inside this category will receive the message. Now we'll be taking a look at the money-making funnels. So after you've learned everything you need to know about how to create content and how to promote the platform, you might be wondering how you create funnels to get traffic. So we have a tab called money-making funnels. Here, you can just scroll down and select a pre-built funnel, and then you can start promoting that funnel and get commissions from this funnel. It's as simple as that. I can also filter the language in which the funnels are displayed in. I can filter the category. So if I'm looking for niche funnels, for example, I have here funnels for beauty salons as well as fitness funnels. I have here the option of creating a redirect link. So if I click here, on a redirect link and I enter my URL, I can get the shared URL. And as you can see, this shared URL here is the one that I would have to promote in order to get commissions, okay? I can also use a shorter URL. So once you have your domain connected, you can just put your URL here, click send, get the share URL or the shorter URL, and start promoting either one of them. I also have the option of shortening the URL here, so I can just insert the URL I already have, and then by clicking send, I'll be given a new one, shorter one, okay? Before I can set up redirect links and shorter URLs, I have to connect my domain. So I can do that by clicking here. I can include my domain here. And by following these instructions, I'll be able to get my domain connected, okay? After my domain is connected, I can click here on DNS propagation status to check whether or not my domain finished connecting. And I can set up customized emails as well once my domain is connected. Next, we'll be taking a look at the earnings tab. Here I can see all the information regarding money, all the money on hold available, requested, and paid, as well as filter depending on invoice type, status, date, and so forth. I also have your information regarding everyone who's in my first tier and second tier. and I can click here on withdraw request if I want to withdraw that money. Now we'll be taking a look at the business community. The Builderall business community is a place where entrepreneurs share what they have best. They share knowledge, info products, classes, books, and so forth. Next, we'll be taking a look at the leads tab. The leads tab is a tab where you can see all the leads, and you can see the status of them here on the right as well. You can see where those leads came from, and so forth. Now we'll be taking a look at the lead tree. The lead tree is the fancy way where you can filter all the leads you have. So if I want all the leads I have to be displayed, I can just select them based on the type of lead. If I want all the leads I have to be hidden, I can just click here and they will all be hidden. If I want my test leads to be shown, for example, and I want the other two tabs to be hidden, I can just uncheck those two boxes and all the test leads I have will be shown here. Next, we'll be taking a look at the weekly webinar. We have a webinar for Builderall business owners, and it happens on a weekly basis. If you miss a webinar, you can always watch it here, and by clicking here on this arrow, I can also watch your previous webinars. The webinars go through all the new important information regarding new updates of the platform, as well as new strategies or funnels that you can use in order to generate more results. Next, we'll be taking a look at the pixel configuration. So if you're looking for a place to paste your pixel code from Facebook in a way that allows you to track the conversion process of your funnel, you can always paste it here and then click save so that you'll be able to monitor everything that happens inside your funnel.